Hi everyone, it's Gina with Dancing Daisy Designs, and today I'm going to show you how to make over a small narrow porch. This video is part of a collaboration with a whole bunch of other really talented YouTubers, so make sure to check out the playlist below after you watch this video so you can see all of their awesome videos too. I have a really narrow small porch on my house, and so it's not really functional for putting like a whole bunch of seating and things like that out here. So I like to just make it look really cute and inviting. I really want to put something by either side of the door, and I will refill flowers here. I think that hanging baskets are really going to make it more inviting for a small space like this.
With you, I can be sad with you. Just take my hand and fly up through the dreams where the skies are so clear. With you, I wanna stay with you. With you, I love the way that you love me today. Let's run up through the fields where the sun shines and heals. With you.
Here is a quick peek at all of the flowers that I got, and they are beautiful. I'm so excited. I know they're gonna make my front porch look amazing. Well, it's raining today. It is spring, and that happens in spring, so I guess we're gonna be working in the rain. Something that I like to do is I like to just go in and break up the soil in the pots that was already in there from last year and just reuse it. It saves money because I don't have to buy all new soil. But I like to just get some plant food and then I'll add that into the soil, and it'll kind of revitalize that soil so that the flowers grow big and happy. I just kind of like to set out the plants and what I would like to be in each pot, and that way it makes it a little bit easier to decide what goes where when I'm planting several pots like this. So I'm going to get started getting these put into the dirt. One of my favorites for hanging pots. These amazing little plants are called creeping jennies, and they will grow and they will hang way down from your pots, and they look amazing. Alright, I have some different items here that I pulled together that I would like to use on my front porch. I want to do things in different levels, so I have some things higher and some things lower on the ground. I feel like that brings a lot of beauty and interest to the space. So a few of the things that I've got that I pulled together, so I've got this old wooden crate here. I have just like an old chippy plant stand. And I have another very weathered plant stand. This super cute water jug, and let me show you, it has amazing crazing on it. I love this, but it is damaged right here. There was a repair. So whenever you see things like this at garage sales, don't pass it up. You could always use it outside. I found these two metal buckets. They've got these cute little rope handles, and then the burlap on the front. And then of course I have my cool chippy milk painted chair. So those are the items that I'm going to use to pull this together. Before I get started, I want to consider the layout of my space. So I have my front door is here, and here's a path that goes to my front door, and then over here is a little shortcut that everybody takes to get to the driveway. So I don't want to block this space off because, like I said, shortcut to the driveway, but I do want to have something on either side of my front door for interest. I have these pillars to deal with and they stick out kind of far. So I want to make sure I have enough space to walk through here. This part is where I have the most wall space. So this is where I want to create my height. So I'm going to put my chair here and a little table, and I'm going to create some height here with my items that I found here, and do a little cluster. Now on this end, this is where I go to get to the water hose. So I don't want to block this off either. I want to make sure there's plenty of space. I want to maybe hang a couple of pots and beautiful final result. And as you can see, my flowers and my plants are waking up from spring, and they're going to be filling out and filling in this whole area. I've got my hanging baskets here, and those are going to cascade down. I went ahead and I put the riser right here with this flower on it. I put another little one down here. One of the bigger pots is over here. And I actually grabbed some rocks from my yard because that looked kind of blank right there, that little space. So walking up my path to the front door, this is kind of what you see. I hung my wreath here because when I hang it on the door, it always scratches it up. So I just hung it next to the door there. And then here's where I put the bulk of my stuff. So I've got the chair, the larger plant, and then the little bit of a cluster over here. On this side, I just did the one smaller plant. This area looked kind of plain, so I went in my house and I looked for some stuff I could put out here. So I put a candlestick, I put some of the insulators, and a lantern here next to this guy. Vintage, if you like hauls, if you like painted furniture, updated decor, and tips and tricks on how to do all of that cool stuff, then this is the right channel for you. So make sure to subscribe to my channel down below, hit the like button if you liked this video, and don't forget that this video is part of a collaboration with a whole bunch of my awesome YouTube friends. So make sure to click on the link down below so that you can see all of their awesome videos too. And I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.